So I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool trick for how you can do voice typing on the Motorola Razr Plus cover screen and actual phone. Now this really is awesome, especially if you're like driving or doing something where you can't type. Anyways, you just need to pull up your keyboard and then you want to press this little microphone option, and I'm going to say, "Hello, what is going on?" Okay, cool. So you just press that. Now I'm going to open the phone and do it. I just thought it was kind of, awesome that you could actually do that on the cover screen. All right, once again, I'm just going to go into my messages here. But like I said, you could also just, pull it up on any keyboard, and we're going to do it again. Hello, what is going on? All right, how awesome is that? Okay, so that's how you do this on the Motorola Razr Plus. Very cool feature. I also want to point out that you guys can get on our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this one, guys, and we will see y'all in the next video.